In this video, I show you how with $2 you can fix your camera and keep your phone for years to come. Stay tuned. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, give me a thumbs up and watch some of my other videos. Thank you. Does your beloved iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8 camera does this? Does it shake when you try to take a picture or a video? In this video, I'll show you how you fix your phone camera with $2. You keep your phone for another year or two. One way to fix your shaky camera is to reset your phone to factory specs. Well, that will delete all the apps and pictures and everything else that you have stored in the phone. So I found out there was another way, a faster, easier, and cheaper. Probably discovered by accident, but nonetheless, it's an easy fix that you can do yourself with just $2. Stay tuned. So the basic fix to your camera problem is a $2 magnet. It's a tiny 2 millimeter thick magnet. It's available on Amazon or eBay, whatever. And this is what it does. When it's placed in front of the camera, the vibration stops. You remove the, here's your test. So just this little magnet. What some people do, some people will use a crazy glue and put the glue and they'll stick the magnet to it. I found a little putty. Putty works just the same. So if you put the putty on it, kind of press it in place, there's your camera. Camera works. No issues. Hope you can. This is iPhone 6 Plus, but this trick will work on pretty much iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, S Plus, whatever you have. It will fix your camera shaking, whether you're taking a picture or video. And it's an easy $2 fix that you can do it yourself in a couple of minutes. So here's your fix. $2 magnet glued the back of your camera, either with a little crazy glue or putty or something that will hold it in place, and that does your trick. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Watch some of my other videos. Thank you.